Alright, first things first, safety. You should always wear safety glasses whenever using a drill press. Never wear loose clothing, always wear something tight, and your shoes should always be closed-toed. Alright, this is a start, this is how you start it, this is a stop. And this moves the drill bit up and down. If you're changing the bit, you need to disconnect this power wire so it doesn't turn on accident. And this is the bit you use to either tighten it or loosen it. Alright, and whenever you're drilling on something, you should always clamp it down so it doesn't spin. It could really hurt you. When you're ready to drill, plug it back in. And then begin drilling. Whenever you're drilling, it helps a lot to lubricate it with oils or other things so the drill bit doesn't get hot. It'll mess up the drill bit. Don't force the bit. Always let it work itself. That's it.